How's it going, guys? So today we got something a little different. I lost my mind and took my RZR apart and detailed it. So we're gonna be putting it together. Nick's doing a little work on his. He's got some U-joints he just...
Yeah, maybe a new drive shaft. We'll have to see. We have some issues, so...
Went a little too hard in the paint.
Yeah.
It's getting fixed, though.
Yep.
It's getting fixed. Putting mine back together today. Yeah.
Yeah, these bad Bama Jammas, they need a little TLC.
All right, we're gonna get to work. Get this thing put together. What's up, guys? So last time you saw us, we were putting together my RZR Turbo S. I had taken it apart and detailed it. So she's fully put back together, ripped a little bit, works awesome. Now today, we're gonna be working on the RS1 and the RZR Turbo S. I got two new axles, front and rear. So I'm gonna have Rhino 2.0s all the way around now. And then Nick got a new clutch and new drive shaft. So in the last video he had some difficulties and his U-joint broke, ended up damaging the drive shaft and stuff. We took that out and he took it for a two-wheel rip. His clutch ended up breaking after that. So new clutch, new drive shaft. We're gonna be doing all that today. Yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's happening. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I got one more thing to add that we might be doing today. Is I got new packing for the Trinity exhaust. I think they're blown out. It's hard to tell. I don't know. We're gonna take them out and take a peek at them and see if they need to be replaced. Another thing is a new clutch cover, because I like to blow belts, and the last one blew through the clutch cover. So now that's replaced also. Alright, so our first project is going to be putting in the new drive shaft that Nick got. We put her up off the ground, dropped the skid plate, remove this, and right now Nick is looking her over and getting ready to install.
Yeah, hopefully it goes nice and smooth and we get four-wheel drive back. So. Yeah. Then, you know, we're working on the clutch after that. Nice and shiny. Yeah, I'm glad I got a new clutch. This one is all beat up, you can see.
Yeah, she's got some pitting.
Yeah, there's pitting in here.
On the inside.
And then the crack here, so it was time to get a new one.
Where's the crack at again?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
See right there, the rubber.
Clean brake.
Yep. Two-wheel peel, man.
But she's gonna be up and running. She's gonna be ripping hard.
Oh yes, she will.
Alright, we're gonna get to figuring this out.
Yep, let's get her doing.
You guys can go back to the time lapse or time warp, whatever it is.
See, it's moving fast.
Bom dia, mais dia maravilhoso nessa terra. Bom dia.
Carl just showed up, so we're getting a little distracted here. Working on the clutch now. Carl's taken his apart so many times. He's basically like a NASCAR crew.
He can do it with his eyes closed.
Alright, so in the process of putting this new clutch together, we come to find out, I believe this is a tower, is like bent in.
Yep.
It's brand new clutch, but you can see on the other ones they're straight, and this one's bananaed in for some reason. So we're not putting this in. He's gonna take it back and see if we can get a new clutch.
Bummer, man.
But back to the drive shaft now.
Yeah, we'll get the drive shaft in. At least we see how these go. These clutches go together. Real simple, real easy. Thanks, Carl. Thanks for catching this too. I would not have caught that. So bummer, but
it is what it is.
It is what it is. You know, can't cry over spilled milk.
What's up, guys? So it's the next day. Last night we were working on Nick's rig and we were able to get the drive shaft in. The new clutch had issues, so Nick got a new one today, so we'll either be putting that in tonight or tomorrow. But today, working on the Turbo S, we're putting in the new axles. I got Lorraine helping me today, so let's get to work. After some struggling, we finally got this front axle out. Now it's time to put in the Rhino. Alright, we finally got this front axle done. It was not the easiest thing. There's a little bit of complications, but needless to say, it is done. 2.0. Once this is all said and done, I'll have 2.0s all the way around, which will be awesome. Alright, time to move on to the rear. Making ham. So axles are on, that job is done. I'm gonna do the clutch cover and the Trinity exhaust packing tomorrow when Nick shows up with his new clutch. So take care of all that. For now, I'm gonna take the RZR Turbo S for a little ride and make sure everything's good to go. So we just took a little break here on our cruise, looking over the vehicle and everything, and I'm so happy to have Rhino axles all the way around now. I'm not hearing no clunking or anything, so everything seems to be good to go. And just gonna enjoy the rest of this ride now, and we'll see you guys tomorrow when we start working on Nick's clutch and finishing up my rig. Peace. All right, we're back. It's a new day. And Nick has got his new clutch here, ready to be put in, dropping tools.
My bad. Yep. New clutch. excited. We're gonna get the springs, the weights put in here, get it back in the RS1. I got the prop shaft in. That's all buttoned up. That was kind of a pain in the butt, but we got it. And yeah, ready to get the new clutch here. So
she's shiny. She's ready to go,
man. Woo, that's like gold to me.
All right, so we're gonna start putting the new his old weights into here because they're still good, and throw her in the RS1. Throw a new belt on, and then wrap up a couple things with the Turbo S.
Yep, exactly. Zach, he threw some new axles in. Nice, they look sweet. So Rhino 2.0s.
Living that life.
Heck yeah, dude.
All right,
man. Let's do it.
Clutch is done. Moving on Turbo S. We got the new cover right here. Old one, she's all taped up and broken. I had a belt blow through her a couple times, so she's KO, donezo. Right now we're making the mark for the Razorback gauge and the new one, and then we'll be popping her on. And then we're going after the Trinity exhaust packing. We're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna repack these things. I have zero idea how to do this, so this is going to be totally winging it. We'll see how it goes. Cover is on. You can tell she's new. She definitely don't match.
Just give it time.
But now it's time to put these pillows into this exhaust. Don't know how it's gonna go, but
me neither, man. We'll get it though. We'll figure it out. Take it apart, put it back the same way.
Yes. Alright, so we've got this thing apart and we just opened the end of it, and holy smokes. It looks
literally
like fires happened in there.
It does. This turbo, she's been glowing a few times. But yeah, this is burnt, man. Yeah, definitely.
Man, I'm really curious when we repack this how much of a difference it's gonna make in the sound. Yeah, it does sound louder right now than when I first put the exhaust on. But it's been a long time, so it's hard to tell.
Yeah, true. We'll see. But the real trick is going to be
figuring out how to repack this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really do. We'll see.
All right.
All right. Let's check it out. Let's try it.
All right. Let's try to just pull this thing out and like copy whatever the hell's in here.
This looks like a pillow.
It does look like a pillow. Whoa.
What is going?
I think she's seen her time, dude. I think that's wore out.
I think that this is
I've basically been straight piped.
Gone. Yeah, you're straight piped, dude. But you know what? I think I do see how this goes together, actually.
All right. Wow, dude, you can like the packing
insane.
Is gone.
It burnt right through it. Just melted or just burned it, disintegrated it, whatever. Ashed it.
I don't know.
Wow. I mean, like, this is obviously what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah,
and that's what it looks like here.
That's messed up. Wow.
2,700 miles on the beast, right?
2,800 something. And I probably put the exhaust on at around 500 miles or something.
Yeah, I was gonna say you put it on pretty.
So it's got like 2,200, 2,300 miles.
Yeah,
something like that.
Check your baffles. Don't let them go too long.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's see if we can roll up this pillow.
Yeah.
Into this stainless steel.
Let's see what we can do. I'm glad we're doing this.
Yeah, I am too. At first I was like, I don't think this is even needed.
Yeah, is it necessary?
Apparently.
Big time.
Alright, I need help.
Yep, I need a hand.
Alright, Alright, we're back. We just finished up repacking the Trinity exhaust and putting it on. So we're going to get the starter up and see if there's really a difference here. I mean, the old packing was pretty messed up. It's crazy the difference. So here's the old stuff. She's tore up. So I'm pretty curious to see if this thing actually is quiet or repacked now. A little bit quieter. It's definitely quieter, which I'm going to enjoy. This is a really loud exhaust already, so when you're driving around in town and stuff like that, it's like everybody can hear you.
Nice. Right on. Awesome. I'm glad it all went together smooth, though.
Yes.
Over how much we had to do, it did go together pretty quick.
Yes.
Well, no, I wouldn't say quick.
Because it took 3 days,
it did
but
take 3 days, but
it was in segments.
It was, and it was pretty smooth. The clutch was pretty smooth. The prop shaft went pretty smooth. The packing, the exhaust smooth. So
everything went pretty well.
We're ready to rip again.
So we're probably gonna go for a small ride tonight. Nick's gonna try out his clutch and everything. So we'll finish out the video with that and a little bit of riding. You guys stay tuned. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe now. Stay tuned for all of our future videos. We're going to be ripping here soon with all of our new stuff on the rigs.
Yep, exactly.
And testing it out. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.
Later.
Peace out.
Bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all on my roundabout? Something, don't hang with a nigga who love.
Alright, I think we're back, baby.
Oh, man, you waiting for it.
Here, I'll get it. Just close your eyes. Ready? They were like cooking to me.
Oh man, that's so funny. That is awesome. I feel like I could run through the woods and look like a squatch or something.
You are a swamp monster, for real.